You know, your washing machine, if it's need a bit of leaking out, you can actually pull this one and then you can leak that out, right, like so. And then if you need to do it another way as well, you could put that back, or you could always twist this bit, open that bit, and all the gunk stuff gonna run out. Sometimes you could find like coins, stuff in it there, right? And if this is really dirty, you can actually wash this bit, the cover for there. You could just wash it, or in here we need to do like clean it up sometimes. From time to time you clean it up. You can use a brush, but don't leave these papers inside. You can see it's a bit dirty in there. Right, so you just need to clean it up. The fan actually pump the water out the machine. There you go. So guys, whenever you got little coins stuck into this little fan thing, then that's why your water doesn't come out properly. Right, so if you stop the machine, there you go. So if you start the machine, so for example, so basically if you got like a coin in there, you're gonna stop the blade from spinning, like so. If you got a coin in there, you don't want to start that with the coin, or else it's gonna mash up your blade, right? So for example, you turn it on. See, sometimes you kick the coin out, but sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes you got here and stuff that actually stop the blade from going around, right? There you go. So this is what let the water out of your machine. Right. Sometimes you got labels and stuff, like, you know, labels and all that stuffed inside. So now and then you just need to clean it out, right? You know what I'm saying? And you could clean this up as well. And when you finish, you literally just plug that back inside, and then you close it up. Like so. It's not hard. So if your machine is not working properly to the optimum, you could try this method. Try clean this out if the water is not pumping out properly. Right, so let's make sure this is really tight, as tight as it can. Yeah, and then this bit you put this back in here, right? And then this one could come all the way out, guys, like so. Just push it back in there, like so, and put that back. And then you can move all your coins from there. Then you clean it up a little bit. Right? You know, this machine, we got this like going like about 6 years now. 6-7 years we got this. Yeah, 7 years we got. And this machine is actually Beko. You know, I think Beko and Bush brand is the same, I'm guessing. And I think in Jamaica they call this right, I just remember they call like Master Tech, something like that. So Master Tech, right? Okay, this one actually have a few functions to it. You know, you got synthetic, you got baby and toddler clothing. You got your quick. What I like about it as well, it has the timer, right? So for example, you want to go on dark care, you just, you know, that's 139 if you have like dark clothes inside, right? So if you go on a time saver, 28 minutes, and you actually could change the cold to cold wash. It could go up to 90. So the hotter the machine is the more time you're gonna get, right? So you could take it off, take it down to 58 minutes, which is on 60 degrees, 40, 50 minutes, 30, 28 minutes, cold, set 26. And you actually could hold the spin as well, let it spin longer. And also, you could go for your extra rinse. You could go for your extra rinse, you know, and you could spin. You could actually let it go 600 RPM, or rinse and hold, or no spin. I could go to the 1300 RPM, which is gonna go really, really fast. Okay, and I normally wash my one at 800, and I wash my one at like 40. So quick wash, I use a time saver, be like 50 minutes, right? But if you're gonna go for full load, and let's put it to dark, it's like dark color clothing there. And I show you the function as well. Oh yeah, this is the WM74135W model, and it's Beko, right? I think these come in two colors. I'm here getting these in black. I've seen them in black on the internet, right? And but it mainly comes in white. I got this one from Curry's in the UK, and guys, this held up pretty well. It's very economic, you know what I'm saying. Inside you put your washer, you put your soft line in there, your actually over 7 kg, which is is big enough for a family of 4, family of 3, you know. Yeah, but on the time, it's a bit tricky sometimes to put in the winter time when you're gonna wash your jackets and your duvet and stuff. You know, it could do it a little bit more space in there. However, it works. You know, actually rinse as well, which is 19 minutes. You could spin and drain that like 12 minutes. You could go mix fabrics. That's 1 hour and 50 minutes. You could do hand wash for your kind of fabric that you don't want to spin too much, or you want to go do cold wash as well. So this is all auto, right? Whatever you put it on, it actually give you the temperature suitable for the kind of fabric, right? And 40 minutes, washing at 90 and the maximum spin. So I'm guessing everything's all maxed out here, right? And synthetics 140, right? And that's off. You know, that's for cotton, right? That's cotton 157. Cotton eco. So you could wash for eco. It's longer, but it's on a going eco mood, you know, saving electric, saving water and stuff. And this time around, because I got dark clothing inside, color clothing and stuff, you can go mixed fabric, right? Or you could just go dark here, right? But this time around I'm just gonna go mixed fabric, because I got cotton, I got all kind of the girls got the uniform and stuff in there, the school uniforms and stuff. So what I'm gonna do this time around, just go powder soap mix in this machine. So I'm gonna put some powder soap in and show you how it works. Right, this is my soap of choice. So these on here, I just got this little thing that I'll take some up. Right. Some people do it, you could put it here and on both sides. In my case, I'm just gonna put it. And also, guys, this you can actually take this out if you want, right? So you press this down, right, and then you could pull it out. Yeah. Right, you press this down, and then you could just pull the whole thing out like that, and then you can actually clean it. You could take this out and then you washed it in hot water or washed it with soap, right? To put it back, you just push this down a little bit and then push it back in, right? And in here you put your soft one or whatever you want to put in there to make it smell nice. In this case, I'm using a Dettol laundry cleaner, so I just put it. There's no dialogue, guys. I just put things in there like so. Just put some in here for good luck. Right, just chuck some in there. Close that in. The only thing you need to do is press start, or you could pause it as well, right? So I'm gonna put it in the temperature. You could change the temperature, right? You could go cold. You could go cold wash, 111. So you could go start, right? So while it goes through the cycles, they tell you where it reached. So when you get to rinse, you could actually put your fabric softener in here. So you just need to, you know, I think within 40 minutes you're gonna go to rinse, then you're gonna spin, then you go end, right? So you could watch it, you know. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching my videos. There you go, we got water coming now. Right, so water come here first. See, I normally put some of the Dettol in here first. I normally put some Dettol. Let it start wash with the Dettol. And halfway through, when you get to rinse, I put some more Dettol. So let it wash properly. And that's it. So this machine it's an old machine, but it works. You know what I mean? Never let me down, guys. You know, always works. Works all the time. Bit of soap in there. Right, works all the time. You know, would I recommend this machine? Yeah, definitely. This machine costs about $179 in pounds at the time. And guys, listen, still going, like 7 years later. Still going, you know? Yeah. Nice machine, just need a bit of cleaning up, you know? Right, so just waiting for the number to drop. Need to be at 110, so you know we're counting down. And you actually could use a time delay. You could set it for it to wash a certain time, and then yeah.